Welcome to WafaTech Cloud. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to create a private network and subnet, set up a router for external communication, and attach the network interface to the router. Once this setup is complete, you can use this network with other resources like Virtual Machines and Kubernetes, and attach a floating IP for public access. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Networking section in the WafaTech Cloud dashboard by selecting Networking from the left-hand menu. Click on plus Create Network to start setting up your new network. Fill in the necessary details. Select the location. In this example, we choose Jeddah, Coast. Enter a name for your network, such as your network name. Specify the CIDR block for your network. Here we use 192, 168.8.024. Add DNS name servers, for instance, 1.1.1.1 and 8.8.8.8. Make sure to toggle the subnet and enable DHCP options. Define the allocation pools, for example, 192.168.8.10, 192.168.8.254. Once done, click on plus Create Network. You will now see your newly created network listed with its details. Next, go to the Routers tab under the Networking section. Click on plus Create Router. Fill in the details for your router. Choose the location, such as Jeddah, Coast. Provide a name for your router, like your router name. Select the external network, for example, ext_net. Click on plus Create Router to complete the setup. Now you need to attach the network interface to the router. Select your router, then click on plus Add Interface. Choose the subnet you created earlier, such as your network name subnet 192, 168.8.024. Click on Add Interface to link the subnet to the router. You will now see the interface attached to your router. The status should be active. You can now use this network with various resources. For example, when creating a virtual machine, select the private network you created. Do not select the public network during the server creation process. Once your server is ready, navigate to the Floating IPs tab. Allocate a new floating IP if necessary, and attach it to your server for public access. By following these steps, you have successfully created a private network and subnet, set up a router for external communication, and attached the network interface to the router. You can now use this network with various resources and attach a floating IP for public access. This configuration ensures that your internal network communication remains private while allowing external access as needed. Thank you for choosing WafaTech Cloud. For any issues or further assistance, please contact our support team or send email to support@wafatech.sa.